Welcome to this tutorial. Today we will show you how to easily back up your RoadRunner email account to your computer using simple and effective methods. Backing up your RoadRunner emails is important because it protects your data from server issues, accidental deletions, or account deactivation. A backup helps you keep your emails safe and accessible anytime. In this video, we'll walk through two backup methods: the manual method using an email client like Outlook or Thunderbird, and the automated method using a professional backup tool. Follow the below steps to download RoadRunner emails manually. Open Outlook and go to File, Add Account. Enter your RoadRunner email and follow the setup instructions. After adding, restart Outlook. Go to File, Open and Export, Import and Export. Select Export to a file, Outlook data file. Choose the folder and location, then click Finish. To configure your account manually, use the official IMAP settings. The manual method is free and easy, but it can be slow and doesn't offer advanced features like selective backup or multiple file formats. The automated method is the easiest and most powerful. Just install a RoadRunner backup tool, click on Open, Email Accounts, Add Account. Then, log in with your account credentials. Go to Export, choose a format like PST or MBOX. Browse the location and hit the Save button. It also allows filters like date range and selective folder export. Some benefits of Email Backup Tool are: backup emails in multiple formats, download emails in bulk, maintain metadata, backup selected folders or emails, preserves folder hierarchy, preview the emails. Download the tool from the link given in the description box. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.